Good afternoon, it's EMS Automotive. Today in this video we're going to talk about one of the biggest questions I get on the telephone. What are you guys doing and what do you make? So we're going to go through a little some of our artwork and stuff here on what we make. And we're going to start with 52 to 54 Ford parts, floor pans, rockers, all the good stuff. And then our next one is 41 to 48 Fords. Very popular cars, rocker boxes, all the good stuff there. And we move on to 37 to 39 Chevrolet sheet metal. We got it all for those cars. Okay, and for you Ford guys, 37 to 38, we got stuff there too. Floorboards, firewalls, transmission tunnels, whatever you need. Remember, EMSautomotive.com. Watch out for scammers and no-name suppliers. For the 50s guys, 55, 56 Ford, quarter panels, door bottoms, all kinds of things. 57, 58, real popular car. And then the next is what I said, door bottoms. We have lots of door bottoms. Repairs the bottom of the door. 37 to 54 Chevrolet. And we go 35, we'll be having into the 57, 58 cars too for the door bottoms, which will include the outer skin and the inner structure. Just remember, when you're into the 30s, 35 to 48, Ford and Chevy, EMS makes the best sheet metal in Detroit, where car parts are supposed to be made. Watch out for those Chinese scammer guys, the black Chinese tissue paper, steel, the stuff you can't weld. We use real steel that you can weld. Anybody can weld it. And then we go on to one of 41 to 48 Chevs, great street rod car, and our lowrider brothers really like these cars. We got parts. We take care of our lowrider friends. 39 to 40 classic hot rod, street rod car. We got all the stuff made in Detroit. Then we also got Ford 35 to 36, real popular, especially the 3 and 5 window coupes, rat rods, street rods, drag cars, gassers. We got it for you. And we don't forget our Chevy guys too, the 35, 36. We got them. We got it. And if you like pickup trucks, we do Ford 57 to 60, known as the Fridge. Highest quality parts in the market. But remember, when you go to buy sheet metal, make sure it's EMS Automotive at EMSautomotive.com. There are a lot of people trying to tell you they sell our stuff. It doesn't. Make sure it has the EMS sticker on it. If you're not sure about that supplier, call us direct at 248-546-0232. 40 Chevrolet. Just a cool one-year car, but it's awesome. Guys really like it. Back to pickup trucks again. We're doing 61 to 66 Ford. We do a lot of stuff that's right now in our development. We're making more stuff every day in Detroit. Okay, 49 to 52 Chevrolet. Great lowrider cars, 4 doors. We make a lot of parts for the 4-door cars, 49 to 52 Chevy. Here again, floor pans, toe boards, tail pans. And then we go on to its brother, the 53, 54 Chevrolet. Same thing, door bottoms, quarter panels with the big bubble. All high quality parts made in Detroit. And if you like the old-fashioned Ford shoebox, we got it. All the high quality parts, 3-year car, 49 to 51. EMSautomotive.com.